Boys and girls, prepare to be amazed once again by Marvin, the Marvelous Magician.
Thank you, thank you. Today
I am Marion the Magician.
Marion? What are you doing here?
I thought it'd be fun to have a little magic contest to see who is the most marvelous magician of all. What do you say, kids? For our contest, I challenge you to change one into many.
Challenge accepted.
Strawberry. Strawberries.
Cherry. Cherries.
Guppy. Guppies.
Canary. Canaries. Marion, I think it's time we ask the audience to pick a winner. Trophy!
Well, kids, who do you think is the more marvelous magician? Who gets the trophy? Marvin?
Or Marion?
Sounds like a tie.
Then we'll need 2 trophies.
Or we could share this one.
That sounds like a wonderful idea.